Do you want to buy now and pay later? Whether you're shopping through physical stores or making a purchase online from the comfort of your home, you can also very easily use the ZipPay mobile app for payments. In this video, we will explore and learn about the key concepts and techniques that are essential for understanding the topic thoroughly. ZipPay is a buy now, pay later payment service. She gained great fame in the world of online shopping. It offers consumers the flexibility to make their purchases and spread the cost over an extended period of time without incurring any interest fees whatsoever. With ZipPay, users can conveniently make purchases at participating online and physical stores and pay for them later in simple, user-friendly installments spread over a period of time. Customers frequently choose ZipPay as a convenient payment option at the online checkout. They can opt to pay for their purchases through weekly or monthly installments. Additionally, ZipPay offers a convenient digital wallet feature that allows users to securely store multiple payment methods and manage their transactions all in one centralized place. This feature makes it incredibly easy for customers to accurately track their spending habits and stay well informed about their overall financial situation. It allows users to make purchases and spread the cost over time, enhancing financial sustainability. It also does not impose any interest charges on purchases, making it a highly cost-effective and financially prudent option compared to traditional credit cards. The registration process is quick and easy with near-instant approval, allowing users to start shopping for their favorite items immediately. It grants users a high spending limit based on their credit rating, making it easier to make large purchases. As we mentioned, it offers a digital wallet feature to store multiple payment methods and manage transactions conveniently. However, it is often criticized for potentially enticing users to overspend and accumulate significant debt if they do not manage their installment payments responsibly. Failure to make timely payments may result in additional late fees, significantly increasing the overall cost of your purchases. Additionally, not all online stores accept it as a payment option, which significantly limits its use and convenience in some specific cases. Despite the absence of interest fees, users are required to pay a small monthly account maintenance fee if they have any remaining balance on their account. The spending limit granted by Zabi is determined by the user's credit evaluation, which may restrict the purchasing power of some individuals. To create a new customer account online, search for ZipPay on Google, select one of the available plans, and click on Sign Up to ZipPay. Apply your topic. You will move to this interface. Select your preferred location, and now your phone number will be requested. Enter the remaining required information to easily create the account. This is the control button displayed on the screen interface. Open the CB app and you will find a comprehensive collection of helpful tips to significantly improve your user experience. After completing the detailed tutorial section, this is the primary user interface of the entire application. At the top, you will find the available balance for each service, ZPay and ZipMoney. From the rewards section below, where you can earn various rewards just by regularly using the app. You can also check out the special offers available on our website. There is also an option available to refer your friends. Condensed text. You can control ZipPay settings from the top settings option. such as the available credit limit, the option for account closure, and various other account management features. Tap on Zip Pay from the main screen of the app. We will move to this detailed page to find out the total and available limit, and if you need to pay an amount, and the number of payments. From the Schedule Change button, you can easily adjust the installments to suit your financial needs, allowing you either to pay in full and avoid additional fees, or to conveniently set up recurring payments that fit your budget. From this point, you can gently slide the bar to set the desired amount. In the Activity section, you can see your transactions. Green indicates payments and black shows the amount of spending. From the search box, you can easily find a list of supported stores and websites for your convenience. In addition, you have the option to browse and select various products, then conveniently add them to your shopping cart from the store section located below. Enter the name of the website you wish to purchase items from in the field provided above. Select the desired product, then click on the Pay with Zip button below. This window will appear for you to log into your Zip account and make a payment. If the site does not support Zip as a payment option, you can create a virtual card, copy the card details, and then paste those details in the payment section below. You can create a payment card and from the top menu, choose whether you want to use the card online for purchases or in a physical store for transactions. If you choose online payment, you can use either Zip Money or Zip Pay services. Choose the specific field in which you want to use the card. Click Create Card to make and use it. Select the desired card and then press the button to create detailed card information. Enter the required amount on the card, and now you can easily copy the card number, expiration date, and CVV security code. Then you can use this detailed information to make informed purchases on the specific site you want to buy from. You will be notified about getting the card. However, if you decide to obtain the card and subsequently use it in the store, it may offer additional benefits and discounts. You can easily create a reusable digital card and add it to your ZipPay account for convenient access. However, you will not receive a physical card. Instead, you can get a scannable barcode for use at points of sale. And you need to install a digital wallet app, such as Google Pay, on your device. Click on Add to Me Pay and carefully follow the required steps to obtain the card. You can pay for almost anything by simply opening the wallet app on your phone and selecting the ZipPay card as your payment method. You can view all your financial transactions in the Activity section. You will receive two separate notifications, one originating from the wallet app and the other sent from ZipPay. You can request an increase in your available limit from this message. You need to wait until your request is thoroughly reviewed and processed. Overall, ZipPay has rapidly become a popular choice among savvy shoppers looking for a flexible and convenient way to manage and spread out their purchases over time without incurring large upfront costs. Many consumers find its interest-free model, simple registration process, and digital wallet feature appealing. Individuals who seek greater flexibility and control over their spending habits and financial choices. Nevertheless, it is essential and important for users to manage their premiums.